Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are doing well. So, today we are going to start with the topic adjectives. I want you to open a notebook so that you can note down the important points and the words which are related to the adjectives of number and adjectives of quantity. So, first of all, we are going to understand what are adjectives. Okay, so adjectives are describing words. Okay, they are describing words, they describe something. Okay, they describe something, or in other words, words that tell about number or quantity of nouns are called adjectives. Okay, the words which tell us more about number and quantity of noun are called adjectives. If I say, I want to clarify it with the help of an example. I have pens, and if I say I have 8 pens, okay, so I am specifically stating the number also, that how many pens I am having, 8. Okay, and if I say I need sugar and I say some sugar, ठीक है, तो the quantity is some. Okay, so the words which tell us more about number and quantity of noun, जिनसे हमें noun के number और quantity का पता चले, they are called adjective of number and adjective of quantity. Okay, so let us learn about adjective of number and adjective of quantity. Adjective of number, first of all, they are countable. Okay, and they answer the question how many. Okay, they answer the question how many, and they are countable. Okay, so adjective which answer the question how many are called adjectives of number. They tell about the number of the noun. ये इनसे हमें नाउन के नंबर का पता चलता है, लाइक 8 पेन्स, ओके, और 5 पेंसिल्स, ओके, 1, 2, many, few, okay, like that. So they tell about the number of the noun. They used only with countable nouns. जिन nouns को हम count कर सकते हैं, वहीं पे हम adjective of number use करते हैं. We use only adjective of number there where we can count things, and we use words like many, few, 8, and there are so many other words which we use with the adjective of number. Okay, I will give you example of all of them. Okay, next we are going to do adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity is used for uncountable, okay, the things which we cannot count. Okay, and they answer the question how much. Okay, adjective of number was answering the question how many, where we can count things, and adjective of quantity is answering the question how much. Here in this one we are not exactly getting the number, ठीक है, we are only getting the idea of the noun. Okay, we are not getting the exact number of the noun, we are getting only the approximate amount of the noun. हमें सिर्फ थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया पता चलता है. Okay, adjective of quantity give us information about the approximate amount of the noun, person, place or thing. Okay, they do not give us exact number, वो हमें exact number नहीं बताते, which is why we say approximate amount. Okay, that's why we say it approximate, like an idea only. We are not going to get the exact number, we are only going to get the approximate amount. Okay, if I will give you an example for clearing this, like I have repeated it earlier also, that I need some sugar, but how much exact sugar? Some can be uh, some can be this much also, some can be this much also, and some can be this much also. We are not clear about how much exactly. If we say na that 1 kg sugar or 2 kg sugar, at that time that is the exact number. But if somebody is asking that I need some sugar, or give me some milk, or give me some water, we are not getting the exact number of that noun. Okay, we are only getting the approximate amount of that noun. Okay, so they answer the question how much asked after the noun. For example, little, some, enough, much. Okay, these are the words which are used with the adjective of quantity. Okay, so there are number of words which can be used for both. जो बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो दोनों adjective of number and adjective of quantity, in both they are used. Okay, but the next thing we have to concentrate upon the noun, that after that word the noun is countable or the noun is uncountable. We have to focus on there. Okay, whether the noun is countable or the noun is uncountable. Okay, so please concentrate there also. Next, I want you to look at the words which are related with adjective of number and adjective of quantity. So here are some words. Here are some example of adjective of number like 1, 2, first, fourth, double, half, one third, some, few, many, all, no, several. Several का मतलब ही होता है many. A few, थोड़े से, most, more, any, none, too many, certain. Okay, and the words which are related to the quantity are all, half, some, enough, more, most, any, least, much, little, less, whole, sufficient, a little. So there are some of the words which will be used in both. Like I want you to pay your attention here on this point. Some adjective can be used both as adjective of number and adjective of quantity, like I have told you earlier. But the next thing what we have to do, we have to concentrate on the noun they are talking about. Okay, now see beta, some boys, ठीक है, some boys are playing in the ground if I say, or I need some sugar. ठीक है, but here beta boys are countable, but sugar we are only getting an idea, approximate idea. We are not getting the exact amount of sugar. Okay, boys we can count, but sugar we are only getting the idea. So if the adjective is followed by countable noun, ठीक है, अगर adjective के बाद countable noun है तो it is an adjective of number. If the adjective is followed by an uncountable noun, it is an adjective of quantity. ठीक है, अगर उसी एडजेक्टिव के बाद अनकाउंटेबल नाउन लगता है देन इट इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. ओके, सो दिस इज द this was the example that I want to give, that some of the words are there which can be used with both. Okay, all can be used with both, any can be used with both. Okay, half is used with both, like half pens, okay, or half the cake. So there are so many words which we can use, with adjective of number as well as adjective of quantity. But the next step what we have to do is we have to concentrate on the noun, whether the noun is countable or uncountable. Okay, if it is countable then we have to go with adjective of number. If it is uncountable we have to go with adjective of quantity. Okay, so here are some of the examples. Let us read some examples here. There are 500 books in our school library. Okay, so how many books? We can exactly count the number of the books. Here are 500 books in our school library. Okay, there is a little rice in the cooker. How much rice बेटा? Little rice, how much? ठीक है, थोड़े से हैं पर कितने थोड़े हैं. ठीक है, we are not aware about the exact amount of rice that is available in the cooker. Okay, so Deepika tore all the pages in the book. ठीक है, we can count the pages in the book. ठीक है, so Deepika tore all the pages in the book. Next, can I have some sugar? How much sugar? We do not know exactly. Okay, there is enough milk in the refrigerator. Enough, how much enough? 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg, we do not know. They have told only कि milk है. ठीक है, enough milk है. Okay, so there is enough milk in the refrigerator, but how much? We do not know exactly the amount of the milk available in the refrigerator. Okay, so this is the difference between adjective of number and adjective of quantity. That in adjective of number we can count things. Okay, we are answering the question how many, and in adjective of quantity we are talking about uncountable things and answering the question how much. Okay, so and I have told you that some words are there which can be used with both. Okay, but the next step we have to look for the noun, whether the noun which is used after that adjective is countable or uncountable. Okay, so this is all from my side for today. I hope I have cleared your doubts regarding adjective of number and adjective of quantity, and I am going to give you some of the exercise to solve from workbook. So please try to solve them. Okay, please try to solve them. Try at least. Okay, please try to solve them. So this is all. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.